Well, nowadays everything is available in Vietnam, so I have tried different cuisines such as pizza, spaghetti, and so on. Some of them come from Italian and some of them come from China. Yes, I love to try new food. Whenever I visit a new place, I always taste the famous dish in that area. I also love to watch cooking shows and I try to make something new. Last Sunday, I was watching a cookery show on television. It was about a Chinese dish named Manchurian. I noted all the ingredients and steps of making this dish. After that, I collected all these items and started to make them. It took about 1 hour and I did eat this dish with my family.